Hey everyone, a strong and adaptable charging station. The Marsriva MP24 is made to meet a range of energy requirements. It is a great option for professional use, outdoor excursions, or home backup because of its sturdy design and variety of connectors, which let it supply dependable power for a wide range of devices. The sturdy construction of the Marsriva MP24 is among the first features that catch the eye. The station weighs 26.5 kilos and is 501 by 255 by 378 millimeters. It seems industrial and professional. Because the body is composed of premium materials, it will last even under the most trying circumstances. Marsriva MP24's connectivity is one of its advantages. There are numerous ports on the station for various devices. A 130-watt cigarette lighter socket, 4 USB-A ports that support Quick Charge 3.0 with 18-watt power, and 2 USB-C ports, one with a 40-watt output and the other with a 140-watt, are among the various charging options on the front panel, which makes it appropriate for high-power devices like laptops and tablets. Microwaves, coffee makers, portable stoves, and power tools can all be powered by the 4 AC outlets on the left side of the station, which have a combined power output of 2,400 watts and a peak capacity of 4,800 watts. There are grid charging ports on the right panel that can handle up to 1,500 watts. The Marsriva MP24 has a 2,621 watt-hour battery that can run 1 kilowatt electrical equipment for roughly 2.5 hours. Charge phones for several months and power a TV or gas furnace for days. For equipment like PCs, LED TVs, and routers that are susceptible to power fluctuations, its continuous power supply feature ensures smooth energy transitions. There is a less than 10 millisecond transition between mains and battery power. The Marsriva MP24's batteries have an amazing lifespan, with the ability to sustain more than 6,000 charge cycles while maintaining 80% of its initial capacity. This indicates that with regular use, the station can continue to run dependably for more than 15 years. It can run a typical refrigerator for a day when fully charged. According to performance tests, the Marsriva MP24 produces a steady 2,330 watts of real output power, which is in close agreement with the manufacturer's requirements. About 10% of the energy is used by the built-in inverter for voltage conversion, and an extra 5% is set aside for deep discharge protection. The station operated dependably at 2,500 to 2,600 watt during stress testing before its overload protection kicked in at 2,700 watt, closing output ports to stop damage. This demonstrates the manufacturer's dedication to offering a reliable and competent power solution. Following a week of practical use, the Marsriva MP24 demonstrated its dependability and effectiveness as a power plant. It was able to power several devices at once without any problems, and its UPS feature made sure that delicate electronics had steady power. Once deemed unneeded, the LED display turned out to be a useful tool for monitoring power consumption and battery condition. So, MP24 is an excellent charging station made to satisfy rigorous energy requirements. It is a great alternative for professional applications, outdoor excursions, and home backup power because of its long-lasting battery, robust build, and wide range of networking choices. Consider the Marsriva MP24 if you're searching for a strong and dependable energy option. Thank you for watching the video, subscribing to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.